see them? Okay. Here's the Roomba 69 too.
Error 1.
Let's
Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart.
You want to see the
Please
back?
open the iRobot Home app for help.
I'm going close to
Error 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press
see
clean to restart.
Roomba.
Please open the iRobot Home app for help.
Roomba i6. Okay. Here's the front of it.
Error 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart. Please open the iRobot Home app for help.
Here. Want to see the queen?
Error 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart. Please open the iRobot Home app for help.
Okay, it says queen.
Error 1. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart. Please open the iRobot Home app.
Okay, so anyway, let's get started. Hang on real quick. Okay, we got the Roomba i6 Plus. Put that in the front. And we got the stuff that goes in the bus, as you can see. The gray. One of them going in the dark green, and one of them go in the light green. I'll put those in the front. Okay. Oh yeah, there's pretty dust in here. Guys, I'll just do that. Okay, guys. And here's the filter. Here. Look how dirty it is. This side is somehow really dirty. Okay. Put that right here. And guys, here's the bag. Here, I'll show you the charging station. See this. And over here. Right here. See that right here? See that right there? You see this? That you go in there. That goes in there. And the dust goes into there, and it goes through those pipes through here, into this baggie. And here's the other parts of the other vacuum. Oh, I got one. And here's the dustbin. Oh, sorry, guys. I'll put that right here so you guys can see. So guys, now what I do, we have two brushes, one filter, two capper things in the dustbin. But this one, that one does not have a bag. Only this one has a baggie. I'll have to buy another Roomba that has a baggie. So these two. Okay. Okay, guys. And here's the little things. Yeah, scoot a little closer to the other robot. Here's a little filter. And finally, the dustbin. I'm gonna put a little here, so because there's no baggie. Well, okay, so let's get started. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he howls by his toe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay. Oh, no. Let's just stick the filter. Okay, we got the filter in there. Blue filter. We close it up. Nothing else goes in there. And we slide it into it. Sometimes it's okay, got it in. Now, next is the brushes. Okay, we can close it. And they're all ready to go. Guys, I'll show you a little charging. That's the charging station. Just getting ready to charge. Okay, next. Hang on, guys. just close them. Oh, don't worry about that. So, anyways. Okay, so dustbin. Here's total food that goes on the side. I'll show you quick. There. See? Okay, let's skip these three rolls. We're already done. Okay, we're gonna open this. Okay, now paper. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thumbs up. Bye.